We got my son Santos right here. Just got him a 97 Kawasaki KX60. I'm on low battery too right now, so. What's up? What's up?
What's up?
Say what's up to everybody.
What's up?
He does not know how to ride a dirt bike.
Nope.
So I did teach him the little fundamentals. And here we go. Let's see how far we got. Boy right here. Little by little. Little by little. It's okay. This is day one. You got it.
I almost had it. I let go too quick.
He's getting it. You'll get it, boy. Nice and easy. All right, we're getting somewhere. Hey, you know we're doing safety, though, so he's got his helmet on. He ain't got no gloves. I don't know why. That's my boy right there. Nice and easy. You got that brake? You got it.
Had it.
Good job.
I'm gonna go into the street.
You can, but you gotta go slow. I'll be watching out for you too.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. Slow down. That's my boy. Hey, now if you want to go, if you got to go further, you got to put your foot underneath there and lift it. You got to squeeze this at the same time. Go up one. Go up one. Now you can go further. Go ahead. Slow down. Stay on this side. Don't turn yet. Go that way. Yep. Slow down. That's my boy right there. Oh! Hey, don't turn around because you can't see behind you. All right, you stay right there next to that curb, and you just stay right there. Don't turn. Remember, we're in the street. Start it back up. Come on.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Is it in this one?
Not even 20 minutes into it, and he's already on the other street.
I'm already hitting 20 miles an hour.
Come on, let's go.
didn't put gas into it.
I'm running right behind him. That boy doing real good. Gotta stop. Go right. Go right. Right here. Close to the curve. He's doing good. Close to the curve. Oh! He knows what he's doing. He went straight to the house. He got it. He went straight to the house. That's my boy. You did it, man. Hold up. How'd you like that? Huh? That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna start like that, okay? You got it to second. You're fine. Love you, boy. We gotta get going because it's Halloween. We gotta get going. We got stuff to do.
I'm gonna go one more time.
Nope. No, don't be in a rush. It takes time to perfect something.
No, but I wanna go there.
I know you're antsy, man, but you know what? We gotta get off this video. Tell everybody what happened just now.
I did it.
He did it, man. He went around the block, all the way around there. Came around, came back this way. Blah, 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 blah. A1 Chimney Mason repair, baby. Love y'all, man. Say bye.
Bye.